Speedcubing Stereotypes. The one who says I can do it, but can't actually do it.
Hey, can I see that cube? Actually, you can try it first.
The one whose cube breaks down during competitions. Ah! The one who takes forever.
You know, in 3rd grade I tried one of these and I got 3 hours, 30 minutes.
No, you don't have to do it then.
No, it's fine. I'll do it.
3 hours later.
Yes! Did you see the time? 3 hours, 27 minutes. 3 minutes faster than my 3rd grade time.
About time. That one super fast kid. Okay, so hopefully I can get like 10 seconds, sub 10. Alright. Seven seconds, not bad. The hand wrist guy.
You see all those kids on TV rotating it with their fingers? Well, here you have to rotate it with your wrists. This is what all the professionals do and people from the old times.
The back in the 1970s guy. Yo, back in the 1970s, I met the guy who made these things, and apparently you gotta slap the sides of the Rubik's Cube to make it solve. But it's not working. And finally, the everything but 3x3 cube. Okay guys, you have gotta see my collection. See this 3x3? Everybody does this. You shouldn't do this. I have the Megaminx, which is a pentagon, and you can turn the edges like this. I have the 5x5, you can turn the edges like this. I have the Gear Cube, which is strange. Look at how it turns. I have the mini 3x3s. Everybody's gotta have this one. And finally, the 2x2s. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below which type of cuber you are. Bye!